Alrighty folks, welcome here back to the radio lab. Today folks, we're going to talk about them good old RF mixers. And today we're going to learn by application. Oh, dot diggly Dan. Now I got a major problem. You see, moonshine radio transmits on 151 megahertz and they use amplitude modulation. But my AM radio, you know, this little guy right here, he only covers to about 1700 kilohertz AM. So our problem today, folks, is how do I convert 151 megahertz down to 1700 kilohertz? How the hell do I do that? Answer, folks, the RF mixer. Look at that bad boy. Here's the idea. 151 megahertz, going to come on into the R port of that mixer. And down here I'm going to have my local signal oscillator oscillating at 149.3 megahertz. I'm going to have a power level coming out of that bad boy at plus 7 dBm. And it's going to go up into the L port of the mixer. Now I'm going to take the I port of the mixer there, and I'm going to feed that into a loop of wire, and I'm going to put that loop of wire right next to my AM radio, and I'm going to tune it to 1700 kilohertz, and hopefully, God willing, I'll pick up my moonshine radio. Now what mixer did I use today, folks? It's called an ADE-6 mixer. It's this little bad boy right there. I picked it up on Amazon. It was about 20 bucks. Not that bad a price. Anyway, that's the specs on it. The Alpha Delta Echo -6 mixer. It's about 15 bucks on Amazon or eBay. RF wise, it works from pretty much 100 kilohertz up to 250 megahertz. Damn! It's a passive device. It's got no power. And the LO, we need to drive it with at least plus 7 dBm of LO drive for that baby to operate. Now I'm using that mixer for down conversion. I'm shifting my frequency down. That's why we call it down conversion. But you can also use this bad boy for up conversion, where you're shifting a frequency up. Ain't that something? Now, just back to my AM radio here. Inside this little AM radio is a ferrite antenna. Basically a loop of wire on a wrapped around a clump of iron. So I'm going to just put a loop right next to it, and it's going to couple in real good. And here's my loop of wire, real fancy. Nothing more than about 9 turns of wire that I just looped in a nice little circle there. And I'm going to put it right next to my AM radio. Just like that. And we're going to see if we can pick up moonshine radio. Damn. Alright folks, well we got it set up here. Here's my mixer. And here's my little loop of wire here. Let's go see if this son of a bitch works. Oopsie. I gotta turn on the local oscillator. Just a minute.
Dispatch, go ahead.
Oh shit.
Yeah, this is bus 25. I gotta pull over for a little bit. I gotta take a shit real bad. Copy that, bus 25. Bus 25 pulling over because he's gotta take a shit real bad.
Did you hear that, folks? I'm picking up moonshine radio. Let's turn my local oscillator on again.
This is bus dispatch, go ahead. Yeah, this is bus 25. I gotta pull over for a little bit. I gotta take a shit real bad. Copy that, bus 25. Bus 25 pulling over because he's gotta take a shit real bad. Bus 25.
Well, hope you learned something about mixers today.
This is